Meal Prep Sunday is the definitive all-in-one solution for your fitness goals. From meal planning and cooking all the way to your workout plan. We use your physical information and fitness goals to calculate your ideal food intake, saving you the complexity of macro calculations and research. Our team of classically trained chefs handles shopping, prepping, cooking, and portioning, using only the highest quality ingredients, such as organic produce, grass-fed beef, free-range chicken, and wild-caught seafood, to deliver flavorful, nutrient-dense meals that will help you achieve your goals. We have a 15-item menu that changes weekly to help you maintain your interest and reduce your temptation for lesser unhealthy meals. We keep our food fresh in taste and texture by utilizing a unique sealing process that sucks out oxygen out of the container to keep meals tasting fresh off the stove for up to 7 days. And we tailor your order according to your preferences and restrictions, so you will love every box we deliver to you. Also, we provide a complimentary 90-day training plan that's in sync with your meals, so there's synergy between your food and your exercise. We also equip our users with the MPS Fit app that tracks your calories, meals, workouts, and fitness progress. And we do all of this with no contracts or commitments. You can come and go as you please, and we'll be here to serve. If you'd like to take your first step into our world and change your relationship with food and fitness, you'll receive 50% off your first order with us, making our meals $5.90 each, cheaper than anything at the grocery store or drive-thru. Hope to see one of our packages on your doorstep soon.